All right, so my lovely assistant over there is gonna turn off the water. All right. So now the water's off. Now turn it back on. See, now the water's back on, and the valve shuts. See, it'll fool you, because then now, oh look at that, now it's actually working. So that'll fool you, but that thing needs to be changed. So, and it's very common. Historically, these type of water valves, see the part number? But these water valves, the spot looks just like that. Almost always, I need to change these things. The valve in here, so it's electromagnetic. So there's a little stopper in there that comes up and lets the water go in, but it's getting stuck. This white piece is your, it measures the temperature of the water. So sometimes if you have one of these and it just fills with hot water or whatever, the cold water's not coming in, that'll go bad too. But usually these need to be changed. So if you have a shop, you're trying to flip washers and dryers, fill up with these valves, these fill hoses. I'm sorry, I think about having 10 thoughts at one time. Water valves, excuse me, there you go. So these water valves, stock up on them, man. They're about $20 on Amazon, but almost always this is the issue, and they come on these type design of Whirlpool washers. All right, this is Reggie with A2 Appliance with another tip. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay dry.